Apple's first foldable iPhone. 8 big things we know so far. Apple is preparing its first foldable iPhone with an A20 Pro CPU, a Liquidmetal hinge, twin displays, Touch ID, and a premium price. Apple is now set to enter into the foldable smartphone sweepstakes with the much-rumored iPhone Fold. The Cupertino-based corporation has been discreetly developing its first foldable handset for years, and fresh leaks are now providing a better image of what could be Apple's most daring iPhone yet. While Apple has not officially acknowledged anything, several reports imply that the iPhone Fold will arrive alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series and provide several industry-first capabilities. Here are 8 major things we know so far about Apple's future foldable iPhone. Apple is apparently attempting to make the iPhone Fold one of the slimmest foldable phones on the market. When unfolded, the device is projected to be even thinner than the 5.6mm iPhone Air. The business is rumored to be adopting a book-style folding design, similar to the Z Fold series, but with a stronger focus on thinness and high build quality. One big feature could be the hinge. Reports say that Apple will employ a Liquidmetal hinge mechanism, which is stronger and more robust than typical aluminum hinges. This might considerably enhance long-term reliability, an area where foldable phones regularly face criticism. The iPhone Fold is expected to include both the smallest and largest displays ever seen on an iPhone. The exterior covered display is reported to be a 5.25-inch OLED panel, while the inside folding screen might measure around 7.8 inches. Both displays are believed to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, matching Apple's promotion technology used across the Pro family. This means smooth scrolling, better gameplay, and smoother animations across both screens. In an unexpected move, Apple may omit Face ID on the foldable iPhone. Instead, the gadget is expected to incorporate a side-mounted Touch ID sensor. This adjustment is believed to help keep the tablet small and prevent installing extra components inside the foldable body. The camera setup is also supposed to be outstanding. The iPhone Fold may contain 2 front cameras, one on each display, possibly employing 18-megapixel sensors. On the back, Apple is rumored to have a dual camera system with a 48-megapixel main sensor and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Performance-wise, Apple is unlikely to sacrifice. The iPhone Fold is likely to be powered by the upcoming A20 Pro chipset, the same CPU that will purportedly power the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. This means consumers may expect top-tier speed, AI capabilities, and visual performance. However, because of the limited internal area, the gadget may forego complex cooling methods such as vapor chambers. Leaks say that Apple will unveil the iPhone Fold in September 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 Pro variants. The base iPhone 18 lineup may reportedly be delayed until early 2027 as part of Apple's new staggered launch strategy. As for pricing, the foldable iPhone is believed to be positioned as an ultra-premium smartphone. Reports predict a starting price of roughly $2,400, making it substantially more expensive than current foldables like the Samsung Z Fold 7. The iPhone Fold is believed to contain a dual 48-megapixels back camera system and an 18-megapixels front camera, delivering competitive specifications for photography and video recording. While these features are remarkable, they fall short of Samsung's projected 200-megapixels primary sensor for the Z Fold 8. This gap reveals a potential trade-off, as Apple appears to favor practicality and design above pushing the bounds of camera technology. The iPhone Fold is likely to start at over $2,000, placing it squarely in the premium part of the market. This pricing plan accords with Apple's commitment to high-end consumers, but positions the device in direct rivalry with Samsung's Z Fold 8, which is also predicted to exceed $1,999. By joining the foldable market at this pricing point, Apple announces its ambition to compete not just on functionality, but also on brand value and ecosystem connectivity. Apple's entry into the foldable market might have far-reaching ramifications for the industry. The company's ability to exploit its devoted customer base and ecosystem may challenge Samsung's dominance, potentially changing consumer expectations for foldable devices. As the September 2026 release nears, the iPhone Fold's success will rest on its ability to deliver a compelling combination of design, performance, and usefulness in a constantly expanding market. Apple's debut into the foldable market directly rivals Samsung, whose Z Fold series has set the norm for innovation and durability. The Z Fold 8, slated to come around the same time as the iPhone Fold, is likely to have larger displays, improved camera systems, and upgraded technology. Samsung's previous experience in the foldable category gives it a substantial advantage, particularly in addressing durability concerns and incorporating user feedback. Despite these hurdles, Apple's ecosystem and software integration could provide it a competitive edge. The seamless communication between Apple products, paired with the company's reputation for quality and innovation, may entice people who value a coherent digital experience. This dynamic sets the scenario for a gripping contest between two of the biggest names in technology. A premium take on foldables. Apple is apparently concentrating on a combination of aluminum and titanium for the iPhone Fold's construction, attempting to strike a balance between durability and lightweight design. This approach solves the durability problems commonly connected with foldable devices, making sure the iPhone Fold can sustain daily use. The tablet will feature two displays: a 7.8-inch inner screen built for deep activities such as multitasking and media consumption, and a 5.3-inch outer display for rapid interactions like checking notifications or reacting to messages. While the outside display is smaller than Samsung's Z Fold 8, Apple's emphasis on portability and ease of usage may appeal to those who emphasize compactness in their gadgets. The design is intended to replicate Apple's minimalist aesthetic with seamless integration of hardware and software. This technique could set the iPhone Fold as unique in a market where folding products generally favor usefulness above form. Also, they will come with 12 gigs LPDDR5 RAM, wafer-level multi-chip module, a sophisticated chip packaging technology to include several chipsets in a confined space, an all-new N2 chipset for robust wireless support for Wi-Fi 7.0, Bluetooth 6.0 connectivity, and a C2 modem for 5G cellular. It is believed to feature a notebook-style design. When closed, it will have a 5.3-inch cover display, and when opened, it will have a massive 7.8-inch broad flexible OLED screen. The company is apparently employing Samsung's sophisticated foldable display tech to assure the. Prosser also states that the camera control button will lose its capacitive feature, relying only on pressure-based sensing to make it easier to produce and repair. Apple is also rumored to be working on supporting 5G networks over satellite, which might be a game-changer for connectivity. We haven't heard of Samsung researching this feature yet, and that's one more manner in which the Galaxy S26 series could be left behind in a matter of months. Hopefully, Samsung gets a wake-up call before the Galaxy S27 series arrives. We're crossing our fingers for a noteworthy S27 Ultra at the very least. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech news. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.